Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1966 Ford Fairlane 500XL. This is a very nice machine we have here at Skyway Classics. Not only with its wonderful copper exterior, white power top, on the inside you can see it's an automatic on the floor with the matching copper interior. Very nice in its condition, even the door panel there. I like how that emblem sits. Got the old-fashioned wheel. As you can see, the cluster almost looks like it's been replaced, but nope, it is original. With the old-fashioned Ford 2-knob radio in it. As you can see, they also added the aftermarket AC unit. You'd see that in a lot of the older cars. Other than that, its performance is pretty good. With the 289 underneath the hood, we can open it right now. Not too fast, but of course this car is, like I like to say, a boat. Very comfortable, very spacey. Got a lot of room, especially just for like 4 people, and like your new compact car, you can barely fit 2 people in. Other than that, right now we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Brakes are pretty good, and of course, even on the main road, she can drive just as good as your modern pickup truck or new small little car. But yes, very nice, very mean, and very clean. As for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.